It's good, huh?
Yeah. Look how good.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to model and pose, etc. today. And I'm getting ready for a shoot, so you're gonna come with me. This shoot is with my friend. My hair is not lace, so don't look at the lace. Or you hate black people. So let's start. Serum. It's gonna be like Christmas themed. Ratty lingerie fur coat. Should I do my hair first? Because I don't want to look like ugly the whole time. No, let's just lock in. Primer. I already got to talk the whole time. Let's talk about your face. You're gonna want to not show too much eye whites, like, so the camera's here, so if you're gonna look off, you look off there, so there's some eye. Not like that, because then it's just too white, and then you look like possessed. And what else? Here's what I do, and the advice I've been given. It's basically to look bored, or look like you're looking at your crush, or look like you're looking at somebody that you like from far away, or to look mad, or like annoyed. Bored, you would be like, and then crush. But I have to do it in the plane. But crush is like, hey crush.
Like that.
That's fire.
But a lot of the time what I'm saying in my head is that everybody that's looking at me is in love with you. Just act like the camera's just in love with you. Like, you gotta be present. And you just gotta keep your eyes engaged and have a little bit of tension. So like, just like, but be at the same time. Yeah, you're just gonna have to fall in love with the camera. You're putting on a show. All eyes on me and center the ring just like a circus. You're a boy. I don't really know what boys do. They just be sitting there. I feel like they look far away. Like they're looking for somebody. Poses. Create, I don't know how much you can see. Create shapes with your body. Keep your elbows off. So you're gonna create shapes and have like, and then never hide your neck too much because then it looks dumb. So yeah, create shapes. Triangle. Triangles. 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 A curve. Triangle. Triangle. I feel like if you have to stretch. Like if I was flexible, it would be way easier for me to do a lot of stuff I'd be wanting to do. But I can't because I'm not flexible.
Bring the bag up.
Shapes, face, eyes. Oh, the other eyes. Mad. Maybe like attitude, sassy, bossy, attitude. So I don't know what they mean when they say that. I just be like, what else? Looking at somebody like you like them from far away. Hey crush. I like you. Oh, the light. You always have to find your light. So for example, this is my light. So let's say the light is going like that. Can you see me? The light is going like that. So you're gonna wanna put your face towards it. And make sure you're not creating like weird shadows where it's like, it's gonna be like, when they shutter, it's gonna be like, so you're gonna keep your face towards the light. up at the light, but then they always tell me chin down. So like sometimes my chin be up too much, but sometimes not. But for the light, I have such a light. When it's down light, I don't know what to do. And then I just put it down. My camera died. I don't know where I was last. I feel like it's my color, but in the camera it looks yellow. Just practice. Pick somebody and be like, pick someone that's really good at modeling and like how they model. And then see where their strengths are and where your strengths are and where you can do better, what you're missing. So for me, I feel like I'm not really good at standing posing. I don't know why, but I am, but I'm not. I like sitting because it's just like easy, but that's my not strong. But I am good at standing. I just don't be knowing what to do sometimes. Like I really like to have props. So for the clothes, like whatever you're wearing, if it's for a brand, you just want to show that you can highlight the whatever you're wearing. Show it off.
Make sure the bag's facing you.
Accentuate. Show. Make shapes. Face. Eyes. Don't have dead eyes. I don't know. I've had dead eyes. I just don't know how to show you them. But it's like you have to like engage, like looking at you, like you, I want you, I need you. I think you guys should see this part. Yeah. Let's hear those sleigh bells ringling, ting, ting, tingling, ting.
Hey guys, it's me, Gigi Gorgeous.
Turn around, every now and then I get a. Hello, so here's what you're gonna do. That light, this light, you're going to, well, the light's in front, so it doesn't really matter. If it did matter, you would keep your face in like a good alignment with that big circle light. So if it's low, you bend over, like try to put your face at an angle towards that light, wherever it is. And just learn what side of your face looks better or what angle looks good for your face and tilt it that way towards that light.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
It's important. You look like a mom.
Ice cream.
Do what you want with your pocket. You really should have tied my arms and I should have been on the floor.
Pose. Yes. Like that.
That's fire.
Yes. Okay, guys.
Is there anything you would like to say to your subscribers?